Okay, welcome everyone. What we're going to do now is I'm going to talk about a font generator. And where you can go find this, there's a place online and you can look up a bunch of these, but it's called dafont.com, and that's where I found this. And you know what we thought we could talk about is how to do a Star Wars looking font, maybe to add to your quilt as an extra thing you could do to personalize it. So I went to dafont.com and then I looked up Star Wars fonts, and I found this one called Star Jedi. It also allows me to put in my name and just test and see how it is, how it would look with my name or the name of, whoever you're doing this for. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to probably go and download it. Now, once you download the font, you're going to need to install it on your computer. Now, I use Word as my Microsoft Word as one of my data programs. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in your name, and then you're going to change the font to use the Star Jedi font. And then you're going to change the size of it according to how big you want it to be on your quilt. So this is just another way to personalize it, and so that you can see that you could use a lot of different fonts, and you can have fun with those font generators out there and just see how, different types of ways to look at your name or however you want to personalize things. But it's a really fun way to do it. So be sure to check out our videos and like, share, and subscribe.